Welcome friends to Imagination Islands, where we create, inspire and repeat, your ultimate DIY arts and crafts destination. First, I took an MDF board and drew a circle on it using a special process. I hope you'll find it helpful and enjoyable to watch the video without skipping, and I'm here to assist if you have any questions. Now, I will draw a cartoon ballet dancing girl, as you like. I have brought a new piece of art today, hoping you all will like it. If you want, you can trace the picture instead of drawing it yourself. Sure, let's proceed to color the drawing now. I'll start by coloring the girl first, and then we'll move on to coloring the remaining background parts. I occasionally try to show you a picture of the craft which I am making for your convenience. Once it's colored, I'll set it aside to dry for about 5 to 6 hours. Otherwise, when varnishing, the colors might smudge and get ruined. Once it's thoroughly dry, I'll apply varnish carefully to enhance the longevity of the art piece and give it a glossy appearance. Now, I'm trying to give my art piece a unique look. Carefully place the blue glitter paper over the dress area of the girl's picture, measure it, and cut it precisely as demonstrated in the video. Then, I used glue to stick the cut piece onto the dress area. Now, I'll take some small leaf-shaped mirror pieces and stick them onto the lower portion of the dress, just as shown in the video. After completing this task, I took some different shaped mirror pieces and stuck them around the round border I had drawn earlier. Now, take a look at how my final DIY mirror art piece turned out. Please comment and let me know how you like my artwork. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.